Hello, good morning. Day 2 from my European trip. I'm just leaving the Airbnb in Austria. As you could probably tell from the cobblestones and the thing, it's trying to rain in Germany. It's very little, kind of like a rain. Today I'm going to Austria. It's gonna be a relatively short day, 505 kilometers. So about 6 hours and 25 minutes according to the map. It won't be as short. It tells me that I'm gonna arrive 15:50, but realistically I'll be there by 5:30, simply because I'm stopping, taking my time, taking pictures, resting, no rush. My luggage is ready to be packed and she's also ready to hit the road. So stay tuned, I'll see you in a bit.
Hello again, back on the bike. I hope today you could see me. I had problems with my bloody GoPro adapter yesterday. Basically there was no recording whatsoever whilst I was riding, and it's such a shame because I had such a nice footage. At least I had something when I was talking to the GoPro itself without the adapter connected. So I hope today some river here. I can't see on the map which one is that. So Baden-Württemberg here now, entering Baden-Württemberg. As you could see, the weather is gloomy, but at least it's dry. I hope this gusty wind will blow all the clouds and it will be sunny later. And we'll have a nice warm weather. But yeah, it is what it is. Carry on to Austria today. Big German motorway. This is it. Look at this. 4 lanes in each direction. The left 2 are prohibited for lorries. You will see the sign now. Simply no. There is a speed limit. It's not unlimited. There you go. Lorries don't go there. So organized, and look how nice and clean. Amazing. The speed limit at the moment is 100 kilometers per hour. I think they adjust in according to the conditions. As you can see, it's a electric board showing 100, so they can change it to lower or they can change it to higher if they decide to do so. The road surface, brilliant. They do something, it will be something massive motorway probably. Still 430 kilometers. When I'm driving, the time is the kilometers are going quick. But this is the second road work I'm catching. The first one was near Karlsruhe. I was shorter. This one is longer. I think it's German motorways, too many lorries, and the traffic just build up around them. But it is what it is. I'm on holiday, I'm not rushing today.
Hello again, quick pit stop for fuel and food. It's lunchtime now, 12:15. I have about 350 kilometers left. Not much. Shows 4:30 now, because I'm stopping. It will probably be longer than that because I will probably stop once again. She's there ready to hit the road. And that's it. Delicious. Bockwurst. Big sausage. And a brochen or little butter.
It's beautiful, Germany, isn't it? The motorways sneaking through the mountains, and it's amazing. You go quick, and in the same time you still have a scenery to enjoy. Seems like the more east I go, the better, the beautiful. Here road work again, so we drive slow, but don't mind enjoying the beautiful view. I can't imagine when I cross the border with Austria. Whew. Look at that, Allianz Arena, Bayern Munich home. Woo! I need to go out from here. I nearly took the junction. Whoa! Oh bless, I didn't know it's so close to the motorway. Okay. Wow. Allianz Arena. So, I don't know if I have an audio, if you could hear me because of the wind noise, but the Alps are coming. I'm approaching the Alps, the high Alps mountains. Beautiful, beautiful. Austrian style already appearing. I prefer to go Austrian Slovenia with no motorway, obviously, because they are extremely beautiful countries. You can already see this is not Austria just yet, but the architecture and the mountains and everything, the things started to change. So every petrol station shows Austrian vignette for every sort of vehicle, including motorbikes. I paid 2-3 euros, 5 euros I think last year. Whoa, look at that. This is what I'm talking about. Now I'm gonna slow down a bit. Look at the scenery, look at the mountains. I hope the mountains will be friendly in terms of weather. So this is Chiemsee, and actually there is island inside there. It's big, it's massive. On the map, look, it's huge. Nice. I don't know if this is visible, but the high hill, the snowy hill there is covered, it's lit up by the sun, and it's so beautiful. Oh wow. And you know what, tomorrow will be only this type of scenery. Haha, beautiful. I'm gonna stop for fuel now because the bike is empty. 65 kilometers left to the Austrian campsite, 31 on this motorway. So I'm gonna stop for quick rest and refilling, toilet break, and then straight on. 60 kilometers to go. This is what motorbiking is all about. Republic Austria in 1500 meters. Exactly there. Österreich. I could see the border now on the map already. The guy on the petrol station was very cool, German guy. He said 3 questions. Do you have motorbike? I said yeah. So you know that Austria have a vignette? Yeah. I said yeah, I know, but I'm going off motorways. What do you mean? And I show him on the map where I'm going, because I put avoid those. And he said, oh, that's so sophisticated. Okay, that's the question number 1. Question number 2, and he's pulling one under the tray, one heavy vest, and you need this. He's saying, in Austria you don't need to wear it, but you have to have it. I said yeah, I have it. And just about to say I have it in my first aid kit, and he's saying, and question number 3 is this one, and he's pulling a little motorcycle. Republic Austria, and welcome to Austria just now. Amazing, welcome to Austria. So he's pulling this little motorcycle first aid kit, and I said yeah, I do have it as well. Oh, you're perfect. It was so funny. By avoiding motorways in Austria, avoiding tolls, the map takes me through this little, whatever that is, village or anything. It's so beautiful. Whoa, look at this house. It's like a farm. Yeah. And we're heading for the mountain. Straight that beautiful mountain. How beautiful. I can't believe. Every country is so beautiful and have its own beauty, but how can this be? I can't believe. And it's so clean as well. Salzburg finished. Was this actually Salzburg? There's a lift going up there, that hill at the edge. I don't know if this will be visible on the GoPro, but there's this high hills which are covered with fog and clouds actually over there, and snow. So beautiful. Look at that bridge crossing the river. And at the moment, after the crossing, this apparently is an island. The hills up there are covered with clouds and still plenty of snow. I don't know if you could see. Hopefully it's visible. It should be visible. These ones there in front of me are covered as well. To be honest, I have no idea where I'm going, where my place will be, where I'm staying. It should be somewhere, something like this mountain. Torrenerorf. This is where I'm coming. 650 meters. So my campsite is somewhere here. Bless. Wasserfall. So I'm here, just need to see where is the campsite. I think it's somewhere there. I can see Wasserfall, which is waterfall in English. 5 minutes walk, so I'll go see this one as soon as I check in and set up my tent. That's interesting. Okay, I'll talk to you when I set up.
As you could probably tell, I'm in the tent. Yeah. So disappointed. I was supposed to go out and see the waterfall, fly the drone, but as soon as I start to pitch up the tent, the rain started, and it seems like it's not gonna stop. It's almost dark outside. Like, it's not really dark yet, but it's still raining, so I won't be able to fly today. So I'm gonna go see where the showers are, take a shower, and just rest for tomorrow. Tomorrow is gonna be a nice day, nice ride. Supposed to be a nice ride. Hopefully the weather will be good. Unfortunately the forecast is not the best one, but let's hope, fingers crossed, it won't be true. So if you like this video, please press the like button. If you don't like it, press don't like. Share, subscribe for more, to help me out with my, as I said yesterday, with my confidence. And see you in the morning. Hopefully the weather will be nice, so I can at least fly the drone. This location here is amazing. If I manage to fly the drone, it will be amazing footage, but we'll see how it goes. Bye for now. See you tomorrow, day 3.